Utility design in Civil 3D seems straightforward at first, but when you start pulling everything together, there are a lot of moving parts, and most people never get the full picture of the why before jumping in. I've spent years mentoring young engineers, as well as working through all of these workflows myself. I pulled all of that information into one focused course. So instead of spending hours figuring out on your own, you can get it right the first time. Whether you're working for an engineering firm, a municipality, or are a student looking to build skills that can translate into the field, this course was built for you. You will start with pipe networks, learning everything there is to know about pipes and structures, the full workflow from drawing them in plan view to designing them in profile and adding labels. From there, you will move into pressure pipe networks covering pipes, fittings, and appurtenances for water design. After we go a little deeper on object styles, labels, and tables, getting into the reasoning behind why things are set up the way they are for utility design specifically. Then, drawing setup pulls it all together, showing you how to organize everything into a plan-ready construction set. You will finish with a knowledge assessment and walk away with worksheets and tools you can take straight into the field. Plus, 1 year of access to come back and reference the material whenever you need it on the job. It is a focused, practical training that gets to the heart of the workflows that you need, concise and to the point. It is also priced to sit within your firm's existing training budget. Head to oxenlearning.com to enroll in the course.